And as you can see, look at the attack points. Just too many for USD, and UE wasn't able to connect. Just 3 attack points for UE, but what you like, they also had 2 block points against the 3 of USD. And siguro mas bumilis lang nung second set. I felt that UE was a little better than the first set, but they have to be faster definitely if they want to get a set from the lady time set.
All right, well, set number 3, the final set. If UE can win one in this match para sa USD. Cortez, that's long. And first point for the first time in this match goes to UE. One serving 0. Set number 3. UE down 2 sets to nothing.
Minesa is easy taking there, just looking for the defense spot.
US pretty much gets whatever they want right now. Sa offensa.
They're making it look so easy for them. And now Cherry Rodina, the other rookie of UST, playing. Oh, from Lastimosa, great hit there.
And there's the other rookie getting ready to serve. Pero panoorin muna natin yung palo ni Lastimosa. McDonald's gives a replay. Don't miss my time. 86-36 for a BFF chicken bundle. Cherry Rodina serving. And she will get to serve again. 3-1.
Other part of the beach volleyball champions at 77 USD. Parehong rookie yun. Si Cherry and si Rika. But si Rika sustained an injury. That's why she wasn't able to play indoor volleyball. Pero ang galing, both rookies. You can win the
championship. Ooh, this set there from Ponon. Bola sa kamay niya.
Violation before against Ponon.
So even the veteran Ponon getting affected by the low-level play ng UE right now. 4 serving 1. Kaimat.
Kaimat in the second set is trying to get some points for UE. So in-expect kasi natin si Trisha Santos. Supposedly nasa lineup siya ng USD but a few days ago. Had an appendectomy, and sabi kasi ni Coach Oji, it will take time for her to recover, a few months actually, so hindi na nila, they decided to put Casmo in, the other libero.
Kaimat. Campanos sets it up to Lastimosa. And Lastimosa is just showing us everything today. Down the line, cross court, off speed.
So pag nasa likod kasi si Lastimosa, EJ Laure naman. So yun yung nag-work well so far for USD. Their open hitters been really Lastimosa and EJ Laure.
Hindi na nga masyadong ginamit si Mela Tunay, ano? Pinahinga na halos ni Coach Mamon.
And si EJ ngayon sitting on the bench.
Yeah. Also, Cortez, everybody's contributing. Like what we said, USD is getting whatever they want. A wishy oh wow moment. Si Cortez naman to. Open up to everyday surprises with a wishy oh wow. Seems like kahit anong iangat ng setter, no? Pupuntos para sa USD.
Kahit sino contributing. So it's really a team effort for USD so far.
Yes, again, just a push mula kay Lastimosa. It's another point. Seven serving 2 USD. That didn't cross the net according to our umpires. So that's 4 touches against UE. So far, Mosey with the performance of the Tigresses.
That's correct. Back row attack once again.
Let's go to Trisha Robredo.
Alam ni Eric and Mosey ang pagdidisiplina pala sa Golden Tigresses ay hindi lamang limitado sa loob ng court. Even their social media accounts are being closely monitored, especially when they feel that this becomes a distraction to the girls. With trainings as early as 6 in the morning, dapat daw walang puyat para wala ring magrarason sa ensayo. Now, this is just one of the many sacrifices they have to make, but the most important one remains to be sacrificing for the team. Coach Audrey is pleased with the chemistry and fluidity he has been seeing on court, and he wants the girls to keep the communication lines open. Sabi niya rin, wag na kayo mamimigay ng puntos. Take the lead early on para makapasok na rin naman yung iba. That's all for now, Eric and Mosey.
Thanks, Trisha. Well, that's exactly what they've done. Maaga bubulusok na ipapasok ni Coach
Oji,
Mamon.
yeah.
O yung iba, sila Berutiao, nakita na natin, and so many others. Rodina, we've seen.
Right. On the other side naman, it's Coach Francis trying to still look for that 6 that will give him the points and who will work well together inside the court. So it's more of addressing the problem kay Coach Francis. That's why papalit-palit siya ng players. Sa kabila naman si Coach Oji, because of madalas nga malalaki yung lamang nila, he's able to put in some of his new players inside.
Rodina Mosey contribute na through an attack, back row attack at that.
Oh, Chloe Cortez sending it long. And according to Coach Oji, si Cortez yung kanyang kumbaga ang term miscellaneous, kahit kung sinong hindi masyadong maayos ang nilalaro, pwede siyang open, pwede siyang utility. Sabi ko, ang galing
Versatile.
Oo. Pwedeng middle hitter. Hirap gawin nun, Eric.
Oh yeah, of course.
Very hard.
Because unlike other sports like maybe basketball, not saying basketball is easier, pero ito kasi specialized yung skill mo at your specific position.
Yeah.
Timing has to be perfect
Right.
and where you're coming from, where you're jumping from, how you're hitting the ball.
Lalo
Ibang-iba.
quick and open.
Yeah.
Very different. Sa basketball kasi may multiple positions,
Yeah.
diba, na pwedeng nakikita natin sa isang
Saka,
player.
if your height fits the position, you may, at a certain point, take over for a little amount of time. Hindi masyado ma-apekto
For
yung laro nyo.
mismatches.
Yeah. Pero sa volleyball, if you can't really get the timing right in that position, and you're holding several positions, that's very difficult. 5 serving 11. Set number 3.
Oh, that's going to be a really
So
long.
strong. Even in set number 3. Tension still extremely high. That was Jasmine Alcaide. Second-year player para sa UE. Not a good reception from Dakaiman. Easy over for UE. Rodina, that hit the tape of the net.
Net block there for Rodina. Ito kasing bata na pag pumalo. Bigay todo Very powerful hitter.
Nescafe Creamy White, Defender of the Day, brought to you by the Drink of the Day. Nescafe Creamy White, #DOTD. There's a tough serve to dig by Naman Cortez.
Right, Dorador getting that point. And USCS, remember, Balito now inside, in front for the University of the East.
After here, 5 ang hinahabol ng Lady Warriors, 7 serving 12.
Lalo na, you have Ria Meneses in front also for UST.
Takaymat. She got lucky there. Meneses was right in front of the ball.
That's right.
Sa labas ng kumalbog, ano? Well, slowly